In this numeracy notepad, we're going to look at multiplying decimals. You should have seen in an earlier video how we use grid method to multiply at Pencoedtre High. We're going to use that method again today, but this time we are multiplying by a decimal. To make it easier, it would be better if we looked at this number as a whole number rather than a decimal. To change it to a whole number, we use the rule of times by 10. When you multiply a number by 10, all the numbers will move across a column in the place value. So this 9.4 will become 94. I don't need to do anything to the 73 because it's already a whole number. I'm now going to do the grid method. So 73, 94. 9 times 7 is 63 and I have 2 zeros. 4 times 7 is 28, I have 1 0. 9 times 3 is 27 and 1 0. 3 times 4 is 12. I then add the numbers I've just worked out. 6300, 280, 270, 12. Because of all the zeros, the sum should be quite easy. So 2, 8 and 7 is 15 and 1 is 16. I need to carry that 1. It should still read 16. 1, 3, 5, 8 and 6. Now that is the answer to 73 times 9.94. But we don't want 94. We actually wanted 9.4. So this times by 10 has now got to go back. So instead of times by 10, I now need to divide by 10. So my final answer will be 686.2. We can use this method to do two decimals multiplied together. In this case, I have got a number that has one number after the point, which I will multiply by 10, giving me 127. But I've also got a decimal that's got two numbers after the point. So I will need to multiply by 10 and multiply by 10 again to get that to be a whole number. Again, we'll still use the grid method. So 127. 26. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 zeros. 6 times 1, 2 zeros. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 zeros. 6 times 2 is 12, 1 0. 2 times 7, 14 and a 0. And lastly, 6 times 7 is 42. Again, I need to add them all up. And I need to make sure that I line them up correctly so that the units column is all in line on the right hand side. Lots of zeros again. So 2, 4 and 4 is 8 and 2 is 10. Need to carry my 1. 1, 2, 3. 7 and 6 is 13. I've used that, so I'll cross them out. And then we have 1 and 2 is 3. Now that will be the answer to my 127 times 26. I multiplied by 10 3 times, so I now need to divide by 10 3 times. That will get the answer 3.302. I hope this has helped with multiplying decimals, and you can practice doing them on some Maths Watch questions if you need to.